Hey guys, in this session let us learn how to perform arithmetic operations in shell. There is a command called expr. This command can be used to perform multiple operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, printing the remainder. We can also perform comparison operators like greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to. Okay, let us see some examples. I declare two variables a and b with values 1 and 2. I use expr and call the variable using dollar and add these two values or the variables. Okay, now you can see the output is printed as 3, right? So here the shell substitute the value of a as 1 and value of b as 2. Okay, since I have used $a value will be 1. Okay, if I am not using this dollar, then it will throw some error saying that a is not defined or non-integer argument. Okay, or I can directly pass the values like this. Okay, instead of storing these values in variables. Okay, and always there should be a space between this plus sign and the other value. Okay, if you are not giving any space over here, then Linux will not be able to parse that command. Okay, you can see output is printed as such, like 1 plus 2, how you have given in the expr command. So these are all the arguments that you are giving for expr. Okay, so the arguments passed cannot be recognized by the expr command if you are not giving space. Okay, likewise, if I need to subtract these two values, I can use minus sign. Okay, so for product, so here I am getting some error. Why? Because Linux again will not be able to parse star symbol. Okay, if you are giving arguments in expr command, always you need to use a backslash. Okay, so this will help Linux to parse the symbol and think that it is a product symbol. Okay, so if you are using ls-lrt star, so this acts as a substitution variable or alias. Okay, so if I say first underscore star, then whatever file or file name ends with or starts with first underscore will be printed. Okay, all the prefix will be ignored. Whatever suffix which starts with first underscore will be printed. Okay, so this will be confused over here while you pass the arguments as star. So that is why you need to give backslash. Similarly, you can divide both the variables, and if you want to print the remainder, you can use this percentile symbol. Okay, and if you want to compare two values, a greater than b, 1 is not greater than 2, right? So this will not print any output. Why? Because I need to use this in a if statement. Okay, then only I will be able to use these comparison operators. Okay, if A is greater than B, then do something. Okay, so let me use if statement. If A is greater than B, then echo A is greater than B. Else echo B is greater than A. Fi. Okay. Now you can see it print the output as A is greater than B, but really A is not greater than B, right? The value of A is 1, but the value of B is 2. So actually B is greater than A. So in this case we are making some mistake. So this is a syntax error. So I need to change the brackets. Okay, always you need to use square brackets when you are using if statement. Okay, so this may vary between each and every programming languages. Okay, so if you are good at any other programming language, then you may confuse between these two syntaxes. Okay, so now I have to use either backtick or dollar symbol. Okay, now you can see B is greater than A. Okay, this is true. Okay, previously what mistake we made is we have not given the square bracket. Okay, so that is why shell is not able to recognize this condition. Okay, so this is how we can perform multiple operations. Okay, so here these two values are called operands. Okay, and the symbol is called as operator. Okay, this operator operates on these operands to perform the calculation, and it gives you the result. Okay, so you can also play around with other arguments, right? You have greater than or equal to, you have equal to, and less than or equal to, less than, and you have and symbol. You also have nor symbol. Okay.